Welcome back to another bite of the magic as we celebrate Disneyland's 70th anniversary. Today, we're recreating the chicken pot pie baked potato. Just one bite, and you're back on Main Street, soaking in the sights and smells of the happiest place on earth. To bring the magic of Disneyland's chicken pot pie baked potato to life, we'll need the following ingredients: 1 pound of cooked ground or shredded chicken, whatever you prefer, frozen peas and carrots, butter, all-purpose flour, heavy cream, chicken broth, and 4 russet potatoes. That's everything we need to create this creamy, comforting, park-perfect dish. And don't forget, 1 frozen or homemade pie crust. We'll be baking and crumbling it for that perfect golden topping. Let's start the magic. In a heated pan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. This is the base of our creamy pot pie filling, and it smells like pure comfort already. Once the butter is fully melted, it's time to stir in a 12-ounce bag of frozen peas and carrots. This colorful mix brings that classic pot pie feel, warm, hearty, and just a little nostalgic. Now let's build that creamy pot pie base. Sprinkle in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour right over the veggies. Stir it well to coat everything. This helps create that thick, cozy filling we all know and love. Time to add some rich flavor. Pour in 1 cup of chicken broth. I like to make mine using chicken bouillon for that extra depth. Stir it in slowly, and watch the mixture start to thicken into something magical. Pour in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and stir gently. This is what gives our pot pie filling that rich, velvety texture that makes every bite feel like a warm hug. Now it's time to add the heart of the dish, the chicken. I like to chop mine in a food processor for a quick, finely textured mix. But if you prefer meatier bites, go ahead and shred or dice your chicken by hand. Either way, it's going to be delicious. Take your baked potato, whether you baked it in the oven, microwaved it, or used any other method, and carefully cut it in half lengthwise. Get ready, because we're about to stuff these fluffy potato halves with our creamy chicken pot pie filling. Now it's time for the best part, spooning that warm, creamy chicken pot pie filling right into the fluffy halves of your baked potato. Make sure to get plenty of that savory goodness in every bite. Once your pie crust is baked to a beautiful golden brown, it's time to create that signature crunch. Simply crush it with your hands or lightly tap it with a kitchen utensil to break it into bite-sized crumbles, perfect for sprinkling over your chicken pot pie baked potato. And now for the final touch. Sprinkle those buttery, golden pie crust crumbles generously over the top. It's that perfect crispy finish that takes this dish from delicious to unforgettable. This chicken pot pie baked potato is comfort food with a little Disneyland magic in every bite. Let's dig in. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Don't forget to leave your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.